I know we have to do this, or we must do that, and we mustn't do this, and we can't do that. Are you able to talk about obligations? So what is the difference between I have to, I must, and I need to? Not much. Like in British English, they tell you that they're like must is something like internal, and have to is like about the external circumstances. Honestly, whatever. Like, don't worry about it. Yeah, just use whichever you prefer. Later on, you're gonna learn that when it's not obligation but other uses of must, there is a difference. But let's just not deal with it right now. Yeah, must is a modal verb. Just means that it's weird. Have to technically is not a modal verb because it makes normal questions. Do I have to sign this? Yeah, and normal negative sentences like you don't have to cook tomorrow. Musím, nemusím. It's very clear. That's the best one to start with because it actually makes sense. But must sucks. Because when you say mustn't, it means nesmět, nikoliv nemuset. Yeah? Muset, must, mustn't, nesmět. This is the most common mistake. Yeah? Don't have to is nemusíš, nemuset. Okay? Mustn't, nesmíš. That's the difference. Now it gets more fun when you learn that don't have to is actually the same as don't need to. And mustn't is the same as can't. Yeah? British say can't, don't say can't. So you don't have to dust or you don't need to dust. It's the same. You mustn't touch this. You can't touch this. It's the same. Make sure you remember that, okay? Another reason why must sucks is that you can't use it in the past. Yeah, so I had to water the plants. Žádné I musted, yeah? To jsem taky slyšel, yes. The same is when there's no obligation. So like you didn't have to do the whole thing. You can't say you didn't must. Okay? So I said that you don't have to is the same as you don't need to. In a positive sentence, you have to is pretty much the same as you need to. It just feels a little bit different, but you'll get the hang of it later. Yeah? Consider them equal. However, in the past, it gets a little bit tricky because if you take the negative sentence, the positive is okay, but the negative sentence, we didn't need to take the survey. This just means there was no obligation. Yeah? But we needn't have taken the survey. That means it wasn't necessary, but we took it. Yeah? So like, I bought that ticket and then I got another one from my sister. I needn't have paid for it. Why did I pay for it? Yeah, you get the point. So you did something while it wasn't necessary. Prostě zbytečně úplně nadarmo. It's different than I don't need to. I don't need to just means there was no obligation. Yeah, that's the only difference. So I hope that this sheds some light on obligations. Please do the exercises, which I have linked. And when you get comfortable with this, not sooner, when you get comfortable with this, then continue with another bunch of modal verbs. Okay? So I must go now. I gotta go. I have to go. I need to go.